In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make realistic grass in Cinema 4D. We'll build natural-looking grass using the hair object, give it convincing motion with dynamics, add subtle variation in the hair material, and then scale it up efficiently by scattering instances across a landscape for large fields without crushing your performance. Start by creating a hair object and assigning it to your ground surface or any base geometry you want to cover. Think of each hair as a grass blade. Right away, adjust the overall count, length, and thickness so the scale matches your scene. Shorter blades and a moderate count read as lawn-like. Longer blades and a sparser count feel more wild. Keep the viewport responsive by previewing with a manageable hair count, then reserve higher densities for final renders. Open the hair material and shape the grass. Use clump to let neighboring blades gather into loose tufts, which instantly breaks up that artificial, even spread. Keep clumping subtle so you don't get bare patches. Then add curl for gentle bends and kinks along each blade. A small curl amount with some randomness will make blades lean and twist differently, just like real grass. If needed, refine root and tip thickness so blades look firm at the base and delicate at the ends. For believable motion, turn on hair dynamics and add a turbulence force so the grass responds like it's in a light breeze. Keep the turbulence frequency modest and scale it up to match the size of your field. Lower strength values often look more realistic than strong gusts. Balance stiffness and drag so blades spring back naturally without wobbling forever. Scrub the timeline and check that the motion feels cohesive across the surface. When you need a large field, don't rely on a single ultra-dense hair object. Instead, scatter individual grass instances across a landscape object using a matrix object or a similar scattering tool. This approach keeps things fast by drawing lightweight instances while still filling large areas. Use your scatter tool to control density, fall-off, and randomness, focusing detail near the camera and reducing it in the distance to save memory. Randomize rotation and scale within the scatter settings to avoid repetitive patterns. Before final render, do a few test frames to confirm the variation, motion, and density look right from your main camera angles. With hair-driven blades, subtle clump and curl, gentle turbulence, and instance-based scattering, you'll get realistic grass that moves beautifully and renders efficiently.